Good mornings, everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, Cyber Tools. Okay, cyber tools. This is basically a combination of two words, cyber and tools. What is the meaning of cyber? Cyber means anything that is related to your computer or your information technology. That is known as cyber. And tool means the methods that we have to use in the cyber, that all are known as the tools. So the combination of this word is known as cyber tools, right? Now, what do you mean by the cloud computing? Cloud computing. Look at here in the picture, we are having this kind of the cloud here. Okay, cloud means a huge amount of the storage area that we are having. Look, I'm giving you an example. Suppose I'm having the gallery in my phone, right? So if I want to store 500, 700 to 1000 photos in it, that is not easy for me, because firstly I required a memory card in it, but the memory card itself having some limitations. Am I right? Means if we want to store more than 10,000 photos, that is not an easy task for us to store in a single device. So what we have to do, we just have to make a particular cloud area and we have to store everything in that. Okay, I'm giving you an example again, that you all know about the email, right? So what is the basic use of email? Email is not any kind of application. That is a cloud area where we just have to send all the files, and whenever we want to check that files, we just have to enter any kind of the that ID and password. That's it. Like if I'm talk about myself, I'm having a Google account or Gmail account, right? So here we just have to put our particular email ID and the password. Then we can check our document, whatever the document we already sent, that we just easily check from there. Okay, that is a storage area. So cloud computing is what? The practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage and process the data rather than a local server or a personal computer. Means you are not storing your any kind of data in a particular device. You are just storing your data in particular storage area. Okay, that is known as cloud computing. Now, online sharing. You all are very known about this topic. Online sharing is basically a sharing a file with one or more user through the internet. As you can already that do in WhatsApp or any kind of the REST applications, that is all known as the online sharing process, right? Now, Google Drive. What is the Google Drive? Again, Google Drive is a cloud storage area, or you can say Google Drive is a cloud hosting product that provided by Google, and that allows user to store up to 15 GB of the files. Means you can easily store about the 15 GB of your files for free with additional storage available. Okay, this technology was released in 2012 by Google, right? So here we can also say that Google Drive is a cloud computing storage area where we can just save our file, anything in it, whatever the videos you are having or the audios you are having, any kind of the pictures or the text files. Okay, but the limit is about 15 GB only, right? So step to upload the files on Google Drive. How you have to apply, or you just have to store your files on Google Drive? First of all, as you can see over here, we are having a Google area, right? This is our browser area. Then you can see here I'm having these folders, or you can easily write down Google Drive over here and you will be able to see this particular folder. This is a Google Drive folder. Okay, when you click on this type of area will appear. This is the Google Drive screen. Okay, here you can check this. Basically I already opened here my account. Okay, the Google Drive account. Now you can see the so many files are here that I already stored in Google Drive area. Now how we have to manage these files? You can see here when I click on the drive area, this dialog box will appear where we are having the folder option, file upload, folder upload, Google Documents, Sheets, Slides and more. Google Slide means here you can easily store PowerPoint presentations, slides. Okay, Google Sheet means you can store the Excel documents. Google Documents means you can store the Word documents. Folder upload means if you are having a number of documents and you just have to make the folder of it and you can easily upload that folder. Same you can apply on the file upload. Okay, so how to upload the file? You just have first you have to click on it, file upload, then go to the when you click on the file upload option, this screen will appear. Okay, now you have to choose one file from here. Whatever the file, wherever the file you want to choose, you can choose. These are the area from these are the location area where you can easily embed your file. Okay, the desktop area, the download, the recent places, music, picture, videos, local disk. So as per your requirement or as per your choice, you can choose the area, location area. Suppose I'm choosing the desktop area. When I click on the desktop area, here you can see the desktop area will appear and this screen will show us all the files that is available on your desktop area. According to your choice, you just have to click on a particular and then click on the open option. When you click on the open option, here I'm choosing the 9th class digital PPT and just click on open option. This file will appear over here. This is just uploading, right? So this is the basic method to upload your file on Google Drive. Again, I am repeating, the Google Drive is basically a cloud storage area where you can easily store your whatever the type of the files you want to store, you can easily store there. And these are the basic steps that you have to apply when you want to store any file in the Google Drive area, right? So please apply all the steps properly so that you can easily understand how we have to store any kind of the file on the Google Drive area, right? Thank you and happy learning.